Good day, students. I am an English language teacher, Department of General Educational Disciplines, Rımbayeva Roza Dairbekovna. Today's our lesson is about the heart and the vascular system. First of all, let's introduce with today's aims of our lesson. To increase students' vocabulary on the theme. The second, to revise grammar themes. To improve students' reading and speaking. Let's introduce with the active vocabularies of today's lesson. First of all, vascular, kan тамырлар, pericardium, жүрекке кіреберіс қалтада, немесе перикард, apex, үсті, interspace, аралық, costal, қабырғалық, septum, аралық, atrium, atrium, жүрекше, ventricle, қарынша, valve, клапан, fibrous, талшықтар, талшықты, systemic, системалық, pulmonary, өкпелік, portal, порталды, вороталық венаға қатысты. Inner, ішкі, within, ішінде, include, қабылдау, қосу, male, ер адам, female, әйел адам, separate, бөлек, бөлектену, chamber, камера, thick, толық, үлкен, қалыңдық, layer, қабат, locate, орналастыру, carry, апару, алып жүру, lung, өкпе, liver, бауыр, coat, қабат, dilate, үлкею, contract, қысқару. And today's grammar about present participle and past participle. Present participle is often used when we want to express an active action. In English, we add ing to the infinitive of the verb. Past participle is often used when we want to express a passive action in English and we add ed to the infinitive of regular verbs. We use the third column of the table of the irregular verb. For example, the therapist examined the patient yesterday. The doctor saw the changed condition of the patient. The heart consists of chambers, blood vessels, valves. Chambers include right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. Blood vessels, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, aorta. Valves include tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, mitral valve, aortic valve. The heart and the vascular system. The heart is an inner hollow muscular organ placed within the chest and included in the pericardium. The base of the heart is against the third rib. Its apex is against the interspace between the fifth and sixth costal cartilages. The weight of the heart is about 300 grams in the male and about 220 grams in the female. The heart consists of two separate chambers divided by the septum. Each of the chambers has two connected parts, the atrium and the ventricles. The atrioventricular valve separates the atria from the ventricles. The right atrium is larger than the left one, but the walls of the left atrium are thicker than those of the right one. The right ventricle is triangular in form and has thick walls. The right ventricle is in the anterior part of the heart. The left ventricle is longer and more conical than the right one. The walls of the left ventricle are 3 times as thick as the walls of the right one. The valves are located at the entrance and the exit of each ventricle. The muscular structure of the heart consists of 2 parts, the muscular layers of the atria and the muscular layers of the ventricles. The vascular system consists of 3 groups of vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. The vessels carrying blood to and from the tissues of the body compose the general circulation. They are called the systemic vessels. The pulmonary circulation is formed by the vessels carrying blood to and from the lungs. The portal system is formed by the veins passing to the liver. Most of the arteries are composed of 3 cords. The arteries dilate and contract simultaneously with the action of the heart. The next, you should answer for the following questions. Where is the brain located? The second, what does the mitral valve separate in the left chamber? The third, how many lungs has a man? The fourth, what are the lungs separated by from each other? Is the liver located in the left or in the right side of the human body? The sixth, what organ is included in the pericardium? The seventh, how many separate chambers are there in the human heart? You should retell the text according to the plan. What is the function of the heart? What parts of the heart is divided into? What is the heart covered with? The location of the heart is in the body. Thanks for your attention. Dear students, goodbye.